This is a Feldenkrais awareness through movement lesson in high speed. The title of the lesson is, Lateral Bending and Lifting Side of Foot in Standing. By the way, if you'd like to do the lesson right now, or watch the gist, click the white circled eye icon at the upper right corner. Otherwise, let's watch the lesson quickly. Stand on your feet. Feet are comfortably apart. Extend right arm up over the head. Extend left arm to the ground. Now elongate right arm to the left and up. At the same time, elongate left arm to the right and down in front of the body. Then return both arms to the starting position. Like this, repeat it many times. Do not try to stretch, just do this movement within the comfortable range. Now you are shortening left side many times. Feel what joints are involved with this movement: head, neck, arm, shoulder, rib, hip, foot. Practically all the joints in the body are involved with now. Rest with arms down. Now, lift out step of left foot from the floor and return it on the floor. Move it slowly so that there is enough time to feel the movement somewhere else. The movement is mostly felt at the ankle joint, but that is not all. Do you feel it somewhere else? Does left hip move to the right slightly? Now intentionally move left hip to the right as you lift out step of the left foot and then return. Of course, left hip alone does not move, but the entire pelvis moves to the right. However, your torso or trunk or upper body and the head do not have to go to the right along with the pelvis. It can remain in the place if the left and right hips bend well laterally. Does this movement help ankle joint bend laterally? Stop when the pelvis reaches the rightmost position. In this position, lower out step of left foot and lift it from the floor a few times. Rest, please. Do the movement of arms as we did in the beginning. Do it a few times. Elongate right arm to the left and up. At the same time, elongate left arm to the right and down in front of the body. Do the ankle and hip move without trying to move now, and stop when arms are the longest and the left side of the body is shortest. In this position, lift out step of the left foot and return a few times. Leave arms as they are. Now add intentional movement of pelvis going to the right, so you are laterally bending left ankle and the left hip. Pay attention to the right side. Now, of course, if you shorten left side, right side elongates automatically. Rest, please. Walk around a bit and feel the difference between left and right side. Now, you have choices. You may continue doing the other side or